Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be discussing about how to install BurpSuite onto the Linux system. So first check your CPU with CPU architecture you have using this command. Okay, so 64-bit. Okay, it's a Intel machine. Okay, next you have to check which version of Java you have installed onto your machine using this command. So Java is installed. Okay, 17 version. Next you have to check which version of OS you are running onto your system. Okay, so you have to type this command lsb_release-a. So Debian distribution of Linux. Okay, so after these details you have acquired, go to google.com, type BurpSuite, go to community edition, then go straight to downloads, then click on the appropriate distribution we have. So mine is Linux x64. Click on the download button. So download will start. I have already downloaded the required package. Okay, so I will straight away move to the directory. So ls-la. Okay, so as you can see, the BurpSuite community SS script is there. Okay, so it will begin the installation process for the BurpSuite community edition Linux. Okay, so what you have to do is give permissions to this file using chmod +x. Okay, and type the file name. Okay, after this is done, okay, execute the file using this command. So this installation wizard will start. Okay, after you have followed these steps, click on the next button. Okay, let it be default. Okay, disk space required is 700 MB. Click on next button. Okay, so the installation will begin from here. Okay, the installation, or it is required downloading all the files and being installed into the system. Okay, so the setup, okay, installer setup is complete right now. Okay, click on the finish. After this is done, you can see that BurpSuite is available here. Okay, in the menu. So click on the button. So this is the initial start of the burp. Okay, so you have to accept the terms and condition, and it will start. Okay, so this was all about the installation of the BurpSuite. Okay, so this is the BurpSuite application which you can use for web application testing. Okay, so this is the initial step. Okay, next you have to download you have to intercept the request from the browser by installation of some plugins, which I will cover that in the next video. So I hope you like this video. Okay, you got onto the steps very well, and I hope you will be successful in your endeavor in installation of BurpSuite on your Linux machine. So thank you for watching the video.